basic home screen. And you can see from the get-go, it's got the things you'd expect. So obviously a phone needs to be able to make phone calls. You've got the Firefox browser in there, of course. And even though this is relatively affordable hardware, you can see it's still quite responsive. I can pan around. You can see the kinds of apps you'd expect to see. There's games there. You've got your social networking sites. And I don't know how the data connection is in here, but you've even got the Firefox Marketplace. So if this will load up, and we'll need a data connection to do it, you'll see a marketplace where you can buy the store or the kinds of apps you'd expect to buy, and everything's already there, right? So if you want Twitter and Facebook, they're already there. If you want games, EA Games is already there. Disney's put content on it already. You can see MTV's there. So the kinds of things you'd expect to buy in an app store, already very available. Let's see, what else? The nice thing if you're an operator, if you're a carrier, is that because the software is open, we can actually build in cost control apps so that you can, I mean, in this case, it's an app that Telefonica developed so that their users can track how much wireless data they're using, how much Wi-Fi data they're using. It's really easy for them to keep track because that's something that Telefonica knows their customers care about. And I think in every market, you're going to have different things that meet that, and the operators can get as involved as they want to. The last thing I'll show you here, obviously the marketplace has a lot of apps already, but because this whole thing is built on the web, we've got an additional benefit, which is that we can do these dynamic app searches. So let's say, last weekend was the Oscars weekend. I can search for Oscars and get a bunch of apps pulled from the web that have content related to what I'm interested in, even if I haven't already installed the app. So I can get some stuff about Oscars right now. If I decide I like the Wikipedia app, I can add it to my home screen. But even if I just wanted it for a single use, I can do that, I can read it, and then disappear. And that's something that you just can't do with a native application stack because there aren't millions of apps out there for you to search, right? Whereas here, we've got the whole web as the potential source of app data. So that's it. That's the quick demo.